shootout with an unknown terrorist group with the LSPD. We have attempted to reach out to multiple law enforcement agencies for further information on the culprits behind these attacks that have been occurring within the past week or so. But so far, we have had little luck. The Federal Investigation and Security Agency openly announced for any assistance in the identification of this suspect, as, quote, "He is not on our database, nor is he willing to talk to us." Panning back to the body cam footage reveals the harrowing moment when the bomb that the suspect was carrying detonated and collapsed multiple downtown skyscrapers, which authorities called an execution zone since no first responders have found anyone alive.
This message is being relayed at the request of the Los Sueños Police Department in conjunction with the Federal Investigation and Security Agency. Within the past week, numerous attacks against the city of Los Sueños occurred, creating an extremely dangerous living conditions for residents. These attacks seem to not stem from one organization, but rather numerous in which their goals may be to exploit the city for illegal means. This has not gone unnoticed, especially after the most recent city bombing. As a result, the LSPD alongside FISA have initiated martial law for the city until further notice. Curfews will begin from 8 p.m. all the way to 7 a.m. These restrictions are put in place in order to crack down as much criminal activity as possible. If you are found outside during curfew, you will be prosecuted and investigated in suspicion for illegal crime syndicate affiliation. More information will not be fully released just yet. Your current source is only Los Sueños News channels. Thank you for your cooperation.